Ready to broadcast your podcast brilliant straight to your WordPress website and supercharge your audience growth. First, let's jump into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for a Buzzsprout plugin. This plugin often handles the heavy lifting for connecting your podcast. Locate the official Buzzsprout plugin. It's often recognizable by the Buzzsprout logo. Click Install Now, then activate the plugin. After activation, find the plugin settings. You will need to connect this plugin to your Buzzsprout account. You will need your API key to get this key. Go to your Buzzsprout dashboard. Log into your Buzzsprout account and find the Integrations or API section within the dashboard. Locate your API key and copy it carefully. Then, return to your WordPress settings and paste it in the required field. Once connected, configure the plugin. Customize how your podcast episodes are displayed on your WordPress site. You might have options to automatically publish new episodes, showcase podcast art, and even include show notes. Finally, test that connection. Publish a test post featuring your latest episode. See your podcast appear seamlessly integrated on your website. This integration makes cross-promotion and content management so much easier.